Welcome everyone, and it's been 1 month after I recorded the very beginning of the way to earn money on YouTube video. And as you can see, the video is still the latest video. I have another video recorded, but still need to edit it, especially considering I just got a new editing program. And unfortunately, at least, it mentions 5 comments, but none of them guessed how much money I get, so the only guess is mine, which was a maximum of 5. Just $5 maximum. And well, most probably already noticed we went a bit beyond that, slightly. Obviously, some might right off the bat just, realize that ain't much, but I mean, I'm happy with it. Like, it's far more than I expected. I mean, I won't be capable of getting any of the money this month. Mainly, well, because with AdSense, at least unless they changed it during the time of last video, you're only allowed to take the money off of AdSense if the balance on AdSense is above 70 and if you're taking more than $70 from AdSense. So, well, from the last month, because at the end of every month YouTube sends the money you made to AdSense, I made $13. I should probably go to analytics because then it's easier to show revenue. Yeah, $14 and this month so far 30. And yeah, I mean, if nothing changes, then I'm gonna get like $40 at the end of the month, which means I'll be having 54, which isn't 70, which means I'll have to wait till the month afterwards, in which case, yet again, if nothing changes, I'll be at 94. Ooh, nice. Also, why is this video in the top earning videos? I mean, I'm kinda happy about it, but also not, because the video's really cringy, but at the same time it's the video I put the most work into. So I'm kinda happy that it's here, but I since then made an updated version, which, in terms of views, is just not that far. But anyway, what follows is what I technically recorded before what you're now seeing, and it's mostly about doing stuff with AdSense. I checked my Google AdSense, and so far, as you can see, none of the money I made is being transferred over to it, and it's telling me to connect it with my tax identification number. So, well, obviously I can't show you how I entered the number, but just telling you. And honestly, I hope, personally, that, well, that all the money I earned before entering the number isn't lost, because I could really well see them actually do that. But let's quickly do it. Alright, I went through everything and it still shows me 0 money. So from the information I got from some YouTubers, apparently there's a chance YouTube only sends the money I made at the end of the month. So hopefully something's on this account at the time of the next upload. If not, damn it. Alright, and well, it's 10 days later. It's currently the 9th. Oh god, what is it? July? July. And I've gotten my letter with the verification code. And, well, as you can see, it added some of the money I've got so far. 14 of those are already on the konto, and as far as I've read it, I'm only able to have it be paid out onto my actual bank konto or PayPal. I actually don't know which one, if one of those is connected to the AdSense yet. I'm real curious how that's gonna go. But yeah, I'm not going to be able to pay out until I have at least 70 euros on my konto, so yeah. For now, I'll just verify. Huh. Simple enough. Your billing address has been verified. Lovely. Okay, let's reload and see if the verification thing is gone. And it is! View payments. There is what I spoke about. Payment method. So let's check out. Bank account must be located in Germany and in euro currency. Ah, sorry. I can just have it go to PayPal. Well, you know, I'll just quickly take care of this. I don't even... I'm not even gonna record this part, sorry for that. Alright. I connected my bank account, and the black thing you see on the screen is censoring because that's my actual name otherwise. But yeah, they said they sent me, well, less than, well, a quarter euro, so less than 25 cents. And well, once it arrives, I'm supposed to verify by telling them how much. And well, bad. I kinda wanted to do this right now, which is right after recording, well, the very first part of this video. But when I checked my bank account, they didn't send me anything to verify. Which means I most likely gave them some kind of wrong thing, or they fucked up. Most likely me, but it could be. So, damn it. You'll probably see that in maybe in the next one, if there is going to be one. I don't think there's going to be a next one. Unless I just have it boom in views and subscribers that want to see a next one. But well, for now I'll just... Thanks for everyone for watching. If you're interested in what I'm gonna do next, like I said at the beginning, I already have a video mostly recorded. There's still an ending bit that I want to record. But the next video I'm gonna make is a overly in-depth, overdue review of Godzilla vs. Kong, the movie that just came out 3 months ago. 4? Not sure. And I don't have much hopes of it being popular. That train left the station long ago, but there's a lot I want to talk about with that movie. And I had fun writing it, I had fun recording it. Now it's just the hard part where I have to edit it. Especially because, like I said, Filmora Film Studio is garbage! So yeah, I switched over to, funnily enough, a free program, DaVinci Resolve 17. Which I at least heard that, well, at least Shadiversity, or the people at Shadiversity are using. And, well, I'm gonna try it. Worst case, I'll have to keep using Filmora Film Studio. Just imagine one day, like, I thought about maybe, you know, putting my business email into my channel already. See when's going to be for the first time I'm gonna get emails from any sponsor. Though at the moment there isn't really, you know, sponsors usually want a certain amount of views for their sponsored video, and I don't think I can give them that unless the required amount of views they want from me is like 20, 30. And I don't think anyone's gonna pay money for that. But yeah. First off, I'm curious when's the first time any sponsor at all is going to be interested in the channel, and what subscriber count and all that. And then I'm curious when's going to be the first one Raid Shadow Legends is gonna ask me to sponsor. Because if you're even slightly gaming related, they're gonna come to you. Eventually, I'm gonna make a video about the whole sponsor thing when I feel like my channel would be interesting for sponsors to go to. So that's if there's going to be a next one. Most likely, this is going to be one of the next ones if people don't. Well, unless people ask me to make something on something specific. So yeah, for now, that's a goodbye, and I wish everyone a really good day, and hopefully you'll give me a like and a subscribe.